Hello, this is Chamber from Reno CTS, and this is Post-Apocalyptic Review. Today we are reviewing the Springfield 1911 A1. Overall, I have to say this one isn't as smooth as the Colt I previously reviewed, but actually I was quite impressed with this still. Most of the rubber grips that I have fired on any of my weapons, this one actually wasn't too bad. It wasn't as sticky. I hate rubber for the simple fact it does stick on your fingers, but this one has been well worn in, so it doesn't have that new sticky feel. Overall, this gun is really close to the Colt 1911 review as opposed to survival-wise. This was just a real fun gun to be able to test out.
Got it.
Keep going.
Mm-hmm. Go.
Oh, maybe you should try a shoulder angle. I want to get kind of closer.
Third person.